Welcome to the product demonstrations of Carbon2Capital. At Carbon2Capital, we offer two core products. One is for the banks and one is for the businesses. So let me start with the banks one. So here we provide an API solutions for banks that will be integrated within their existing platforms to provide real-time carbon footprint ranking. So if I come to the bank statement, here the API scans the transactions, each transactions, and assigns the carbon emission scores. Also, it marks the sustainable transactions as green and then the high impact ones as red. Now, if I come to the carbon footprint section, here the user sees their total carbon emissions. In this case, that's 4,700 kgs, and also a comparison with others. Moreover, it also shows the impact and explains in a way with an analogy so that the person can understand and relate to it. But understanding is not enough. We also provide a personalized recommendations. Our AI does a deep dive understanding where you are doing the most carbon emission. Then it gives personalized recommendations for each of those categories. But what about the carbon emissions that you already did? For that, we provide green investment solution to offset your carbon emissions, and while you're earning a return on it. So basically, it's a win-win situations for both the green projects and the end user of the bank to offset the carbon emissions while they're expecting a return on investment, creating a sustainable ecosystem. So now I want to show the live product, the model that is live on our website. Anyone can come here and upload their bank statement. So I'm going to upload mine to demonstrate. I'll put my email address. And while I'm doing it, I want to make sure that we care about privacy a lot. That's our first priority. So we never store the bank statements, ensuring full security. Even our AI model doesn't know the personal information. So we filter it out before sending it to the model. So now, as you can see, our AI model calculated the carbon emission. It identifies the high impact categories. It also provides a personalized explanation, so with an analogy, so you can understand what it means. Also, it shows the emission breakdown by category, ending with the personalized recommendations so that you can reduce your carbon emissions. You also get a copy in your email, so you don't need to save it. It will be in your email. Now let's move on to the businesses one. So, unlike individuals, businesses manage multiple documents. It can be utility bills, inventory records, waste report, etc. So our platform provides a one-stop solution to calculate the carbon impact. So in this dashboard, it displays the monthly carbon footprint, cost to offset, potential savings, the emission trends against the targets. We also also show the scope 1 to 3 analysis, where it basically categorizes the emissions and identifies the top impact areas as well, our sources. Moreover, we also provide carbon footprint equivalency. So for example, here these 2 tons of carbon emissions is equivalent to 12,000 miles of driving a car. So now you can understand what it means, right? You can compare it with something. Lastly, it provides the AI-powered recommendations, which will improve over time with um, personalized reduction strategies. And we also provide the offsetting through investment, similar to the bank example that you saw. So now I want to show the product in action. So here in the analytics sections, as you can see, there's nothing much going on. Only a receipt is there, and there's no recommendations because it's asking us to upload more documents, right? So now if I come to the document section, okay. So now I'm uploading 2 receipts here. So these are the 2 utility bills. And while it's uploading, I want to just explain briefly that behind the scene, there's a multi-AI agent system that actually processing the information and also identifying what type of document it is, and then doing the calculation and updating it in the analytics sections. So now it's being uploaded. Now if we come to the analytics sections, you can see the total carbon footprint impact is like total carbon footprint has been increased. Here it's showing 2 utility bills. We didn't specify, but the AI model knows that utility bills has been uploaded. And Also, in the document analysis sections, we can categorize it based on the type. And you can see for each document, there's a breakdown, right? So for each document, it shows how much carbon emissions was there. Lastly, there's AI powered recommendations. So this is totally generated by the document that I just uploaded now. If I upload more documents, it will only get more robust and more accurate. So that's how our model is designed to train to do these tasks. And now if I come to the target section, so this is here to help businesses so that they can set their emission reduction goals and track their progresses. For the certification section here, it basically all necessary compliance certifications will be available in one place. In the team sections, here you can basically see your track your employees, and for all the employees there will be carbon literacy content courses so that they can be carbon literate and managers can easily track their progresses. For the report sections, here businesses can generate, download, and share their sustainability reports effortlessly at one go. So that's Carbon2Capital, helping both banks and businesses track, reduce, and offset carbon emissions while ensuring profitability. Thank you so much for tuning in.